Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Fiverr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and log out of the Fiverr app because you logged onto someone else's phone or mobile device. How do you actually go ahead and log out of the Fiverr app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Fiverr app. Next, click on the profile icon on the bottom right-hand corner. Now from here, go ahead and click on Account, and then you're going to see the ability to actually go ahead and log out of the Fiverr app here. So once you log out, that should take you out of the app, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of the Fiverr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.